Hello, and very welcome to number 13 of our presentation of the email power machine. This is about campaigns on autopilot. As you probably know, when you promote your product, it is done by setting an email marketing campaign. The great thing here is that you can completely automate this through a so-called autoresponder. Yes, you hear it right. You can do this on full automatic pilot. So the question, of course, here is what is an autoresponder? Now I tell you about what is an autoresponder. An autoresponder is the term that we give to a service, a company that gives the service, that sends out your bulk of emails for you. Meaning, you set up your campaign and they do the work for you. You set up when, let's say you have a campaign from Monday to Friday, and you want to send emails Monday morning, Monday evening, next day, Tuesday morning, Tuesday evening, next day, Wednesday morning, Wednesday evening. You can set up this, let's say, the Sunday before, all in advance, your message, the times, the days, etc. You click on the button make your campaign active, and then the work's done. Then automatically Monday morning, 10 o'clock, first email is going out to your audience. There are different services, different ones you can use, but my best experience is eWaber. Why? Well, they are very trusted, they have a very high delivery rate, and they have been around there for a long time. So an autoresponder that allows you to do two main things. It allows you to build a list or capture names and email addresses and add them to your database, to your personal database in your personal account of the autoresponder. Let's say in this case, eWaber. They do this by using a web form. In your personal account, you have a web form. There you can generate a little web form and put it in your website. There's a connection between your account of the autoresponder and your website. On your website, there appears the so-called opt-in form. And an opt-in form is when somebody is interested in your products or want to know more about you. They put in their name and their addresses, email address, click on the button, automatically the email address is added to your personal database and you get a message in your email box that somebody has opted in, has reacted on your website through the so-called opt-in form. The other way is that an autoresponder allows you to add leads to your database by using an API connection. That's a little bit more of an advanced way, but an API connection is simply a connection between two servers, between the servers of your autoresponder and, for instance, between your GVZoo platform where you promote your products, where you sell your products. On the GVZoo platform, you can actually enter the little email address for your list and check the box that you want to add that lead to your list. When somebody buys a product then from your GVZoo account, automatically that address is added to your autoresponder list. And there you can check everything. There you can measure the click open rate, the click through rate, which links are clicked, etc. etc. And that's about the possibilities, the main possibilities of an autoresponder. I suggest that you check the eWaber website. There you see a lot of information, and in the beginning it can be a bit overwhelming, but when you read it and take it easy, take a pause, look for the second time the next day, and I guarantee you Within a few weeks, you are completely familiar with it. So this was the presentation about the campaigns on autopilot, and now we have to move on to presentation number 14. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.